Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to this has to be day number one. Yes, day number one, week two, spring 2025 of our journey together. And it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here for this afternoon's classes. Let's begin. Okay, so today is what? Monday? Monday the 13th of January, 2025. The subject is, of course, mathematics. And the topic that we're going to be doing is we're just going to be doing application word problems. That's what we're going to be basically doing today, application word problems. I know some of you do not like word problems, but word problems is on your exam. When I was a student, I didn't like word problems either. I hated it with a passion. But it's something that you all need to know. So it's something I must cover, and I need to make sure that you all are familiar with the questions and topics and how they ask you, all right? So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so application word problems, as we're going to be looking at today. So, which means that you have to write quickly because we are going to be moving. And so the first question says, and all these questions are coming from which year this is? This is, if you want to look back at it, these questions are coming from 2020, what year this was? 2016 past paper. That's what I'm using. All right, so it says, write this down for me, please. Carla's mother paid $213.65 for her daughter's textbook and an additional $85 for her technology fee. First question, A, calculate the total amount of money that Carla's mother paid for Carla's school equipment. All right. All right, so with this question, I need Madeline. Madeline, can you read this for me?
Pardon?
Read this question for me, please. Wait 1 second. This is $265. Go ahead.
Carla's mother paid $213.65
No, $213.65.
and 65 cents for her daughter's textbooks and an additional $85 for her technology fee.
Read the question.
Calculate the total amount of money that Carla's mother paid for Carla's school equipment.
Very good. Does anyone know how we're gonna be able to answer this? What we're gonna do in order to answer it? Anyone wanna try?
We're gonna add it.
Say it again.
Adding.
We're gonna add. Very good. What gives that away? What gives it away that you know you
It
have to add?
says total.
It says total. Very good. All right.
It says total and additional.
Very good. So, Wyatt, what numbers are we gonna add?
213.65.
I said Wyatt. I
Oh,
did say.
sorry.
Go ahead.
213.65 plus $85.
Very good. So go ahead and add that for me. Y'all go ahead and add that and tell me what y'all got when you add it. So we have to add, let's call this area. It's gonna be just gonna call this any answers? What y'all got when y'all add them together? Anyone? Go ahead, Trinity.
got my answer.
We were supposed to multiply.
No, we supposed to add, because if you look carefully, they said, Carla's mother paid $213.65 for her daughter's textbooks and an additional $85 for a technology fee. So they want you to add $213.65 with $85. All right. When y'all added, what did y'all get?
I got
$298.65.
Put inside the chat for me, please. What y'all got for your answer? Put it inside the chat. So we have to add $213. So we have to add $213.65. Right? We have to add that with what? $85. Okay, we have to add the two. That is what we have to add together. And so we have 5 plus 0 is what? 5. 6 plus 0 is
6,
6. Put the point down below. 5 plus 3 is what?
8,
8. 8 plus 1 is
9,
9. And 2 plus 0 is simply
2.
2. And so that means that our answer is going to be what?
$298.65.
Very good. $298.65. So that's going to be our answer right there. Kylie, turn your camera. Trinity, turn your camera. All of you, please turn your camera. Your cameras need to be on. There's going to be $298.65. All right. Darren, does that make sense to you?
Yes, sir, it does.
Good. Lincoln, does this make sense? Where's Lincoln? Where's Lincoln?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you understand what we did?
Yes, sir.
Explain what we did.
So what we did was we had to calculate the total amount of money that Carla's mother paid for Carla's school
Mm-hmm.
equipment.
Mm-hmm.
So we had to add, and so in order to get our answer, we have to add.
Mm-hmm.
So what we did was we added $213.65 and $85, and that's how we got $298.65.
Very good. Very good. All right, so Trinity.
Yes, sir.
Turn your camera. Brayden, turn your camera. Kylie, read the second question, please.
Carla's mother paid the bill with 3 $100 notes. How much change would she get back from the cashier?
Very good. So, Brayden, how are we gonna get this? She paid the bill with three $100 notes. How much change would she get back from the cashier? What are we gonna do?
We're gonna subtract.
I want Brayden to answer us.
I'm sorry.
No problem.
Pardon me?
It says if Carla paid the bill with, if Carla's mother paid the bill with 3 $100 notes, how much change would she get back from the cashier? So how are we gonna get that?
Braden lost.
Say it again. Say it again.
By subtracting 298.65, and 65, $298.65 from $300.
Very good. Now we're gonna subtract. Now if we subtract, what's gonna be our answer? Y'all could subtract it. Let me know what y'all get. So we're gonna subtract 300.
Can I put the answer in the chat?
Yes, you could put the answer inside the chat if you already did it. We're gonna subtract 300 minus what? $298. Adaya, your mic is on. So $298 and what? $298.65. Okay. So we have to subtract it. So come on, Adaya, help me subtract this. What are we gonna do? Can we do 0 minus 5?
Oh, so sorry, I was still doing the subtraction, so I don't have my answer yet.
No, but you could work with me. 0 minus 5. Can we do that?
No, sir.
So we have to borrow to the 0. So we have to, can we do it this 0?
No, sir.
So we have to do.
We have to take 1 from the 3.
Very good. And it becomes what?
2.
2. This becomes now
10.
10. And this is what?
9.
9. And this is what?
10.
And this is what?
9.
And then this is
10.
And then it becomes
a 9.
And so 10 minus 5 is
5.
Very good. 9 minus 6 is
3.
3. 3, very good. We put the decimal point down, right?
Yeah, so
9 minus 8 is what?
1.
1, very good. 9 minus 9 is
0.
0. And 2 minus 2 is
0.
0. And so what our answer is?
$1.35.
Did anyone else get $1.35 before me? Before me.
I did. $1.35.
$1.35. Very good.
That's me.
Okay. Do y'all understand how I got $1.35? Do y'all understand that?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
All right, perfect. Go ahead.
May I get a piece of tissue, please?
Yes, you can quickly. So it's going to be $1.35. So the first one, in order to get an answer, we add it because that's the total. We're trying to find the total. All right. And the second one, we have to subtract to get an answer. All right. Okay, good. So let's go ahead to this has to be number 2. Let's go ahead to this one and do this one. So we have so number 2. So number 2 says that a newspaper reporter, so a newspaper reporter wrote an article once per week in the newspaper for 6 years continuously. At the end of the 6th year, what was the total number of articles that were written. Newspaper reporter wrote an article once per week in the newspaper for 6 years continuously. At the end of the 6th year, what was the total number of articles that were written? All right. All right. A newspaper reporter wrote an article once per week in the newspaper for 6 years continuously. At the end of the 6th year, what was the total number of articles that were written? Which y'all up for this one? How are we gonna do this one?
52 times 6.
You think so? Tajane, what you think? It's Tajane. Is Tajane here? I can't hear from Tajane. How many weeks are in a year? I think that's the first thing we need to figure out.
52.
How many weeks in a year? Would you say legacy?
52.
52 weeks, very good. So since there are 52 weeks in a year, we have this newspaper reporter who wrote an article once every week. So in 1 year, how many articles is she gonna write in 1 year? How many articles does she, if there are 52 weeks in a year, how many articles is she gonna write in a year?
52.
52, very good. Because she's writing one every week. All right. Kylie, how many articles is she gonna write in 1 year? If she's writing one once per week, how many articles is she gonna write in a year, Kylie?
Pardon me?
Are you reading the question?
Yes, sir.
Read the question for me.
A newspaper reporter wrote an article once per week in the newspaper for 6 years constantly.
At the end,
The end of the 6th year, what was the total number of articles that were written?
very good. So, yeah. So how many articles does she write in 1 year?
Do you mean like
Anyone can answer. How many articles does she write in 1 year?
52.
52. Because there's 52 weeks in a year, right? Now, how many articles does she write in 6 years? It's gonna be what?
312.
52 multiplied by what? Multiplied by 6. And so we have 6 times 2 is what?
312 too.
What is 6 times 2?
12.
12,
Put the 2 down. Put the what? 1 above. 6
I
times
got my
5.
mathematics.
6 times 5 is what?
30,
30
5.
plus 1 is
31.
31. Very good. So
31.
so the answer is what? 300 and
312.
312 articles.
312. Very good. 312. All right. 312. Okay. All right. Let me know if y'all understand number 2. Trinity, do you understand number 2?
I understand.
Where's Trinity? Where's Trinity? I can't hear from Trinity. Adaya, do you understand number 2? Where's Adaya? Adaya, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand how we got number 2?
Yes, sir.
Explain how we got it.
You have to multiply 2 times 6 and then put the 2 at the bottom and then put the 1 on top of the 5. And then you do 6 times 5.
Uh-huh.
And then after you get the answer, you add the 1 and then you get 31.
So the answer is 312. But
12.
why did we multiply by 6?
Because the word problem. I mean the what you call it?
She
So
did it every end of the six, yeah.
every 6, so she did it for 6 years, and how many weeks did we say in a year?
52.
52. Very good. All right. Are y'all finished writing this down? Let me know if y'all finished writing this down.
No, sir.
Yes.
Who's finished? Who's finished?
I'm
I'm
finished.
finished.
All right. If you're finished, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
If you're new, my number is, I think Wyatt is new. Wyatt, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. My number is 426-8891. Take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. That's what I want you to do. All right. Again, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. Who all is finished with this? Let me know, please, if you're finished with this.
I'm done.
You're done? Okay, good.
I'm finished.
I'm finished.
Okay, good. Take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. Let me see who sent this. So their work already. Najara, very good. All right, I need y'all to take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
I sent my work.
Very good. Legacy. Tajane, can you hear me? I don't think Tajane could hear me, you know. I don't think she could hear me. Tajane, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. Do you understand how we got number 2?
Sort of, but not really.
Not really. What part don't you understand? First of all, do you know how many weeks is in a year?
Yes.
How many weeks are in a year? You know? There are 52 weeks in a year. And how often does this news reporter write an article, Tajani?
6 years. Well, I come in 6 years.
Okay. But how often does she write it?
Once per week.
Once per week. So that means in a year, how much is she gonna write if she's doing it once every week? And there are 52 weeks in a year. How many is she gonna do in 1 year? How many articles is she gonna write? Yeah, in 1 year. Remember, she writing one every week. Right? So she writing one every week, and we know that in a year that's 52. So how much is she gonna write?
52.
52, very good. But it's saying that it took a 6. It's saying that she did it for 6 years. So we have to take 52, and we have to multiply it by 6. All right, does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's how we do that. All right. Who all is still writing this?
Me.
Who's me?
Me.
I
Adaya, and who else?
Lincoln Smith.
Lincoln, you're still writing? All right. Who's finished? Who's finished?
I'm finished. I sent you my work.
Me.
I'm finished.
Good. All right, for those of you who are finished, are y'all ready for a quiz? It's gonna be on what we just did. All right. So
Yes, sir.
good.
Yes.
So I'm gonna put the
Is
quiz
it an
aside.
online quiz?
It's an online quiz.
Thank goodness. I did not want to have to write all that down.
I like online quizzes.
Yes, awesome. Good stuff. I know you do.
Well, I'm almost finished, so
Yeah. All right, so I'm going to put it, I'm going to post it inside the chat. So when I post inside the chat, what you're going to do is you're going to put started and then you're going to do the quiz. You have to get all right. There's no you have to get 100%. All right. I have to get 100% because this is too easy. This is way too easy. All right, so let's go ahead. Let me give it to you now. All right. Again, once you see the quiz inside the chat, you put started inside the chat and you complete the quiz. All right. But make sure to take a picture of your notes and send it to me via WhatsApp. All right. Everyone should be able to do the quiz and send me their work. All right. So let me go ahead and put this inside the chat. Again, once you started the work, please put started inside the chat. The quiz will be posted inside the chat in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, the quiz is inside the chat, everyone. The quiz is inside the chat. What I need you to do is go ahead and do it. It's not difficult. It's out of 15 points. So make sure you get all right. All right, don't get any wrong. Let me check the results of this. Thanks, sheets. All right, thank you, Braden. Thank you, Tajane. Thank you, Daranique, Legacy, Madeline, Najaro. Adaya, what happened to your? Okay, I just gonna
I
see.
sent you. Excuse me, Mr. Petit, did you see the message I sent you?
I did. Did you see the quiz inside the chat? Please do that.
Yes, I'm gonna start it now.
That's what I want you to do. Once you have gotten your grade, take a screenshot of your grade and send it to me via WhatsApp. It has to be 100%. So make sure it's 100%. Then take a screenshot of it. All right. Oh, by the way, some people are not showing the working. Like Adaya, you didn't show the working. There's a reason why I put the working there. Same thing with Bradley. You did not show the working. So why did I put the working on the screen? You all have to show the working. Same thing with Tajane. Wait, no, she showed it.
Excuse me, Mr. Putin.
Go ahead.
I showed my work and also further said inside the quiz. Can you put our working on our work or?
You can.
Here's Mr. Petit.
Uh-huh.
It's Braden.
Yes, Braden, you need to show your work.
Yes, sorry.
You need to show your work hand. Oh my goodness. What's this? Okay, I see. Legacy, very good. Legacy, did you send in your notes? I mean, not your notes. Yeah, take a picture of it. Like I said, if you got 100%. Legacy.
I sent it to you already.
Yeah, send it to me. Very good, Legacy, and very good, Najara. Madeline, please redo your quiz.
Here's Mr. Petit.
Yes.
That was pretty easy.
Very easy, right? Good. Take a screenshot of it and send it to me. I got Legacy. I need the full screen. I need with your name and everything. Thank you,
Yes,
Najara.
sir.
I need the screenshot with your name and everything in it so I can know it's you. Only 5 people have done my quiz and only 5 people have passed. The rest of you, what happened? What happened to my quiz? You all need to pass this quiz. All right, let's move on. The rest of them, they could do the quiz, but we have to move on, all right? All right, so let's move on to the next one. Very good, Daranique. Wyatt, where's Wyatt? Wyatt, are you there?
I sent it to you, Mr. Petit.
Okay, very good. What her name is?
Excuse me, Miss
I
Petit.
see. Yes,
Can I get my mom's phone?
yes, you can. I see
Thank
Darren,
you.
Trinity, Wyatt. Where's your quiz? You have to redo. You have to do your quiz. Please show working. That's very important. I didn't just put the work in there just because I like the show working. You have to write down the working. Trinity, I don't see your notes. You need to send me your notes, Trinity. Same thing with Kylie. All right, Wyatt, where's the quiz? Did you do the quiz yet?
No, sir.
All right, you have to do the quiz, Wyatt. You understand me? Are you doing it now?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's move on to the next one. Go ahead and answer these questions. All right, so there's gonna be more questions. So let's go ahead and answer this. So this says that this number what? Number 3. Number 3 says Chase bought 168 marbles. Write this down for me, please. He shared.
Yes, Mr. Petit.
Yes, I saw your
Miss-
grade. Very good.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Yes,
Can I get a new pencil?
yes you can. Where's your notes? Where's your notes?
My phone, Dad.
Your phone is dead. Your phone is dead. Okay, once it's charged, then you need to send me the work.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Can I get my own? Thank you.
Yes, you can. All right. The next question says I'm gonna have the rough work here on this side. So read this question for me, Daranique. One moment. Let me put it back on the screen. Go ahead.
Bought 168 marbles. He shared the marbles equally between 7 bags. How many marbles did Chase place in each bag?
Very good.
I know what you have to do.
Go ahead, Brayden.
You have to divide.
Very good. You have to divide. So what are we gonna divide? 1 second. 1 second, class. All right, so what did y'all get for this one? How many marbles did he place in each bag?
We can say our answer.
Yeah, you can say your answer.
Can I
You-
say it?
Yes,
I
go
got
ahead.
24.
24.
24, okay.
24.
24. Very good. And how did y'all get 24? What did y'all do?
We divided.
Divide.
Divide, very good. And what gives it away? How do you know it's division?
Because it's just saying how many
Equally?
times can one.
Because
City.
he said equally.
It says equally. It says, yeah,
E?
it's, no, that's not the real hint though. The real hint is, it's start with S.
Shared.
Shared.
Shared. So,
Shared.
so that's the real hint. Shared equally is the hints, right? Just to let you know, hey, we divided. So with this one, we're gonna say what? 7 into.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Mm-hmm.
I signed my test score.
Very good. You got.
I got 100.
Very good. So we say 7 into. Go ahead.
I got 100 as well.
Excellent. Wyatt, you need to turn in your camera. Wyatt Thompson. So 7 into 16. That goes what? Twice. 7 times 2 is 14.
14. 16 take away 14 is 2.
Yeah, 16 take away 14 is 2. Are y'all writing the work in? Or have y'all written the work in?
Yes, sir.
You have to show our work in. This is math.
Yes, sir.
7. How many times
Third
is
time
7?
is 28.
How many times is 7 going to 28?
4
4
times.
times without leaving a remainder.
4 times. Good. 7 times 4 is 28. And so that's how we get that like that. 28 minus 28. Adaya, did you do the quizzes yet? All right, so that's gonna be that. So the answer is definitely what? 24. Marbles. Now again, these are past questions. How many persons feel like if this is coming in the exam, I was gonna get these right?
No, never mind. No.
I think if I do it, I will do the right working, but I might make a mistake
In the working?
in the working. I'll do the actual, equation and process right, but not the actual working.
Not working, okay.
I might make a mistake there.
So the goal is to try to perfect it and to avoid making the mistakes because we want you to do well in your exam. So Keisha has a basket containing 16 quinaps, 5 bananas, 3 mangoes, and 9 pears. Part A. Calculate the total number of fruits that Keisha has in her basket. Calculate the total number of fruits that she has in her basket. That one is easy, right? What is the total number of fruits that you have in a basket? How are we gonna do that? How are we gonna do that?
By adding.
By adding, very good. So we add, so we have what? 16 plus what? Plus 5 plus what? Plus 3 plus what?
9.
Plus 9.
Can I say my answer?
Yes, you can.
I got 33.
33. Adaya, where's Adaya? Adaya, can you hear me? I can't error. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 5.
Excuse me, Mr. Bazzi.
Mm-hmm.
I got 33 also.
33 as well. Good. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 5 is what? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 plus 6, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. It's going to be 23. Put the 3 down and put the what? 2 above. 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is definitely going to be what? The answer is definitely going to be what? 33.
33
Right.
No, sir, not marbles.
Fruits. There we go. There we go. 33 fruits. All right. So far, so good. Not about these questions so far. The first one is just a division. The second one was just an addition, simple addition. All right, let's move on to the next one. What is the probability of choosing?
Excuse me, Miss Petit.
Go ahead.
I love to do probability.
Oh, you love to do probability. Excellent. So what is the probability what is the probability of choosing a ganap and a mango from Keisha's basket? What's the probability of choosing a ganap and a mango from Keisha's basket? Right? Do y'all know how to write probability? Like, do y'all know how to do probability?
Fraction.
Fractions, very good. So what's gonna be the answer?
Nineteen over 33.
19 over 33. How did you get that?
I add 16 and 3 and put it over 33.
You add 16 and so first of all, they said that the probability of choosing not just a ganap, but choosing a mango. Now, ganap and mango is what? If we add ganap and mango, how many ganaps do we have? How many ganaps do we have?
16.
16.
Very good, 16. So you have 16 ganaps. And then how many mangoes do we have?
3.
3, very good.
3.
And so it's gonna be 16 plus 3, which is what?
19.
19, very good. Now probability is always gonna be it's gonna be how much you select over the total. It's gonna be a fraction. So what is the total number of fruits in the basket?
33.
What's it? 33, very good.
33.
33, very good. And what's the and what is the amount of, what should I say? What's the amount of
Ganaps and
ganap and mango? It's what?
19.
19. 19. So it's gonna be 19 over
33.
19 over 33.
33.
Very
19
good.
over 33.
And that's the answer right there. All right. All right. So that's how we got that. Any questions on that? Madeline, do you understand how we got the answer for B?
Yes, sir.
What did we do?
We added 16 plus 3.
Uh-huh. And I gave us what?
19.
19, very good. And why did we put it over 33?
Because 33 is the amount we got after adding all the fruits together.
Very good. Wyatt, do you understand how we got 19 over 33?
Yes, sir.
How did we get that?
You add 16 grapes plus 3 mangoes,
Uh-huh.
and you get 19.
Very good. And
And,
then continue.
and for the denominator, you add all together to get 33 on the bottom.
Very good. 33 at the bottom. Very good. So it's gonna be 19 over 33. Go ahead.
If you're being realistic,
Uh-huh.
you know which fruit is which from the shape.
Oh, well, whenever we do probability, we assume that it's at random. So we assume that you either have your eyes blindfold and you like, it's like it's a random choice. So that's when we say probability, it means that there's no possible way of knowing the outcome before it happened. That's what we mean by probability. Okay, so assume that there's no possible way of knowing which one that you're gonna get. All right, that's what we do when we're looking at probability. All right, you understand me?
Yes, sir.
All right, so let's move on to the next one. So what is the probability? What is the probability of choosing a banana from Keisha's basket? What is the probability of choosing a banana from Keisha's basket? And then D, what is the probability of choosing a mango? No, a pear. A pear from Keisha's basket. All right, what's that probability? All right. Y'all think y'all gonna handle those two questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
All right, good. So answer those two questions for me. What is the probability of getting mango? What's the probability of getting, what's the probability of getting a banana? What's the probability of getting pear? All right, Adaya, where's Adaya? Can you hear me, Adaya? Where's Adaya? That's not good. Where's Adaya? Adaya, can you hear me? I don't even know if she's still there. Where's she? No, she's not still there. Wyatt, what you got for the next part? The probability of getting a banana.
I get 5 over 33.
5 over 33. Did anyone else get a 5 over 33?
I'm not finished working.
So you're not finished working. Okay, good.
Excuse me, Miss Petit.
I got 5 over 33.
What does that mean by probability?
Probability. Okay, that's a good question. So probability, what you do is it's like a fraction. So Like, you see it says probability of getting a banana, right? So how many bananas do we have?
There are 5 bananas.
5 bananas. So since there are 5 bananas, right? The probability of getting bananas from the basket is going to be, remember how many bananas you say there are?
5.
5. So you put the 5 on top, that's the numerator. It's going to be 5 over, what's the total number of fruits?
33.
33. So that's how we do probability. It's going to be 5 over 33. All right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So Joel and Tiana, where are you?
We're here.
Do y'all understand how we got 5 over 33 for the probability? No?
No, sir.
No? Okay, how many fruits are inside the basket? I mean, in total, how many fruits are inside the basket?
Are we on letter B?
We're on C. We're on C. So I'm asking you how many fruits are inside Keisha's basket?
33.
33, very good. And how many bananas are there?
5.
5. So that's why we have 5 over
5 is 33.
5 over 33, because it's 5 bananas, and in total there are 33 fruits altogether. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Good. Class, do the rest of y'all, do y'all understand that? Let me know, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So legacy,
Yes, sir.
read part D.
What is the probability of choosing a pear from Keisha's basket?
Good. What you all for that one?
9 over 33.
9 over 33. Did anyone else have 9 over 33?
I have 9 over 33.
I did.
Okay.
I did.
Very good. Very good. And that's correct. Okay. So how do we get 9 over 33?
There are 9 pairs. In total.
Very good. There are 9 pairs, and there's 33 fruits in total, right? So it's going to be 9 over 33. All right. Lincoln, do you understand this? Where's Lincoln? Lincoln, can you hear me? Lorenda, do you understand this? Where's Lorenda?
I understand, sir.
Okay, good. Kylie, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Good. What I need y'all to do is take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp again. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Who all are finished with writing this down? Who all are finished with writing this down?
Excuse me. Me. I'm still writing it down.
Who's still?
Done.
All right. Who all are finished with writing it down? Take a picture of your work and send it to me if you finish writing it down for me. All right. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me if you finish with writing it down.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Mm-hmm.
I just joined class, so what's the topic for today?
Oh, we are doing application word problems.
Okay, so.
Daranique, you finished writing this down? Thank you, Madeline. Thank you, Najara.
Yes, sir. I'm taking a picture of it.
Excuse me, do you have number 1 and 2?
Y'all ain't have time to do number 1 and 2. Just focus on this.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Mm-hmm.
I sent you my work and I wrote all of it down.
Yes, I saw it. Thank you, Daranique. Brayden, I need to see your work. Wyatt, I need to see your work. All right. Tajane, I also need to see your work. Where's Adaya? Adaya, are you there? Yeah, all right. Adaya, can you hear me? I don't know. I'm not hearing from Adaya. Kylie, where's your work? Where's Kylie?
I'm not finished yet.
You're not finished?
No, sir.
Okay, for those of you who are finished, are y'all ready for the quiz?
Never been more ready.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Ready.
Ready? All right, who think they can get all right in this quiz?
Me.
Most definitely.
All right.
I'm not gonna
You're not gonna
say it because it's a probability question right there.
it's a probability. Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? Probability. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna put inside the chat. Once I've sent it inside the chat, you're gonna put started if you started the chat, started the quiz. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put started inside the chat if you started it. I need everyone to do it. You need to get 15 out of 15. I think it's out of 15. No, it's out of it is out of 25. This one is out of 25. So try to get all right. All right, that's what we're looking for. All right. So make sure that you read the question carefully. And you make sure you get all right on this one. All right. Just like how y'all got all right on the first one.
Excuse me, Mr. T.
Mm-hmm.
For number 3, put two answers.
For number 3.
Yes, sir.
Number 3, there's only one right answer.
Excuse me, sir.
It says
Go ahead.
It's showing the same thing as the same one as last.
Say it again.
It's showing glad form number 1.
It's showing GLAT number 1.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, Mr. T.
1 second. No, we on GLAT 2. You click on the wrong link. Let me send the calendar link again. Yes. Go ahead, Trinity. What's your
Excuse me,
question?
Mr. Petit.
So,
1 second.
so it says, what is the probability of choosing a nap and a mango from Keisha's basket?
Oh, okay. So you have to add the ganap and you have to add the mango. And then once you add them, then put it over 33.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Good. Is anyone finished?
I'm finished.
I'm
And I
finished
sent
with
you
the
one.
quiz.
I sent the quiz
You sent it to me?
already.
25 out of 25?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All
sir.
All right, take a picture of your work and take a picture of a screenshot of your grade and send it to me, please.
I already did.
I got, what I got? Madeline, very good. Najara, very good. Daranik, very good. Tajane, very good. Lorenda, very good. Wyatt and Legacy. Still waiting on Kylie. Joel and Gianna. Braden, still waiting on Braden. Trinity, very good. Trinity.
I got all right.
Very good, Braden. All right, well, let's finish. That's all I see. Where is Kylie? You need to finish your work as well. And that's all. Who hasn't done it? Yep. Trinity, you got all right? That's Trinity.
Excuse, pardon me,
Did you get all right?
on the test,
Mm-hmm.
I got a 25 or a 25.
Good. All right, let's go ahead and answer this one. This one is very similar to what we did when this was last week. So I hope that y'all will be able to answer it. Okay, so please do not write on my screen. Who's that? Wyatt, don't write on my screen. All right, so move on. Wyatt, what did you get on this quiz?
100.
100, okay, that's good. All right, so let's go ahead and go on to our grade exercise. Not our grade exercise, but our thingy. Joel and Gianna, did y'all do the quizzes yet?
No, sir.
Okay. All right, next example.
Excuse me.
Mm-hmm.
Can you send that in the chat, please?
No, y'all have to move on. Move on, please. Can't stay writing that down. You'll be down that forever. You already came late, so. This one just gotta count your losses. All right, this is number, I'm going in order, so this is the order in which they come. So far we have done 4 questions. We're on number 5, question 5. Let's go and finish this. So this question 5 says that, so for this one, you can need your ruler and your pencil. So let's draw this
May I
diagram.
get my ruler, please?
Yes, you can.
Also, get my ruler, please.
Go ahead.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
All right, so this one we have, say, let's say we have 9 feet here. 9 feet.
Mr. Petit.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
I took a picture of my work because I might not be finished in time.
I was calling you. Where were you?
I didn't hear you calling me.
Yeah, you had to have left your laptop because I was calling you for the longest. Did you do the quizzes inside the chat?
Yes, I sent it to you. I didn't hear you calling me.
Okay. I need you to do did you do the second quiz? I did, oh, you did. You only did one. I sent a new one inside the chat. Please do that.
Yes, sir.
Ada, you have to be paying attention because I sent the quiz inside the chat a long time.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, next it says the length. Write this down for me, please. The length of a garden is twice its width. Lincoln, did you finish with the quiz? The width of the garden is 9 feet. Where's Lincoln? Lincoln, can you hear me? Lincoln, can you hear me? Where's Lincoln? Can't hear from Lincoln. The width of the garden is 9 feet. Find the perimeter of the garden. Find the perimeter of the garden. All right, do y'all remember how to do this from last week?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is perimeter?
The length of the outside of the shape.
Yes, the perimeter is the distance around a shape. All right. So question, if this is 9 feet, right? If this is 9 feet, what would this side be?
9 feet.
9 feet.
9 feet.
9 feet.
9 feet as
And
well.
then the middle would be.
So this is 9 feet. 9 feet, very good. And then it says that the length of the garden is twice its width. Twice its width. So if it says twice its width, what is this length going to be equal to?
18.
18, very good. It's going to be 2 times what? 2 times 9, which is what?
18.
18.
It's 18, very good, 18 feet. And if this is 18 feet, this would also be 18 feet, very good. So how are we going to find the perimeter? We're going to do? How are we going to find the perimeter?
Add up all the sides.
Add up all the sides, very good. So the perimeter is going to be, perimeter going to be equal to what? 9 feet plus what? 18 feet.
16. 2 times what is 2, 3.
So 9 feet, 18 feet, plus 9 feet again, plus 18 feet. What did y'all get, by the way? You know, add on.
54.
54.
You sure got?
54.
54.
Okay, 54. All right, so it's gonna be let's add them up together. So we have 9, 18, 9, 18. 9 plus 8 is 17. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 17. Well, that's just 34. We put the 4 down, yes.
I just put 18 plus 18 plus 18. 9 plus 9 is 18.
That's smart. That's smart. Put the 3 here. 3 plus 1 and 1, that's gonna be what? 5. So it's gonna be what? 50.
I said 2 times 9 is 18, and 2 times 18 is 36, and then I added it all up.
Excellent. So now the perimeter is gonna be 54 feet. Do y'all understand this? Let me know if y'all understand this, please.
Yes, sir.
I understand.
Wyatt, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Good. Madeline, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Good. And Kylie, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Good. Can I move on to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Good. Let's move on to the next one. We have Tia. It's number 6, I think. Yeah, number 6. Yes, number 6. Tia is making hamburger patties that each has that each has a mass of 138 grams. How many grams of hamburger patties will Tia need to buy to serve 27 hamburger sandwiches? Go ahead. Tajana, you read the question for me, please.
Tia is making hamburger patties that each has a mass of 138 grams. How many grams of hamburger patties will Tia need to buy to serve 27 hamburger sandwiches?
Very good. Any idea on how we're gonna do this?
Are we
Hmm?
gonna divide?
We're gonna divide,
Multiply.
multiply. Anyone else?
You have to add
You have to add. Add what?
the 138 and the 27.
138 and
27.
the 27. Okay, anyone else? Legacy, how you think we're gonna answer this?
Maybe 138 times 27, maybe. I think we
So-
either add or multiply. Either one of those two.
Add or multiply. Okay, so here's the thing. It says that, where's Wyatt? Wyatt, are you there? Okay. All right, so it says that she's making hamburger patties that each has a mass of 138. How many grams of hamburger patties will she need to buy? So you have to multiply. What we have to multiply what? 138 and what?
27.
27.
27.
27.
Do y'all know how to multiply those two big numbers?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Go ahead.
sir.
Go ahead and multiply it. 138 multiplied by 27. Tell me what you get when you multiply them. 138 multiplied by 27.
You can also add 138.7 times.
Say it again.
You can also add 138.7 times.
Say it again.
You can also add 138.27 times.
Oh, we don't want to do that.
I got my answer. Excuse me.
Yes.
I got my answer.
What you got? Wait. No, put it inside the chat. What did y'all get? What did y'all get when y'all did it?
Excuse me, Mr. Potato.
Say it again.
I got my answer.
What you got?
I got 3,726.
3,000.
726.
3,726. Anyone else? Anyone else?
I got something different.
Same answer.
Same answer. What
I
you
got
got?
something
What
different.
you got, Najara?
1,726.
1,000.
726.
1,726. Okay. All right. It's 5:54 already? Oh, wow. There's no way. This went so fast. Class went so fast. Oh, wow.
Time is flying faster than the speed of.
Oh, wow. That's unfair. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I did not know that. Okay. So let's go ahead and answer this question. All right. And then I have to go to I have to leave, but let's go ahead and answer this question. So we have to multiply, like I said, we have to multiply. So let's go ahead and do it. So we have to say, 7 times 8 is what? That's 56.
56.
7 times 3 is 21.
21
22,
plus
23,
5.
24, 25,
26.
26. Put the 6 down. Put the 2 up. 7 times 1 is 7.
7
Plus 2 is
2 is 9.
9. Put the 0
Then you
down.
put your placeholder.
2 times 8
2
is
times 16.
put the 1 up.
Carry your 1.
2 times 3 is
6.
2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is
7.
7. 2 times 1 is
2.
2. Very good. And we have to add, right? 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 6 is
12.
12.
Put the 2, carry the 1.
Carry the 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17.
17.
It's going to be 3,000 what?
3,726.
Did anyone get that?
I
Yes,
got
sir.
it.
I got
3,000.
that. Yes, sir.
3,726.
got that.
Same answer.
Very good. All right, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Excuse me, Mr. Potato.
Uh-huh.
May
Go
I
ahead.
get my mom's phone?
Yes, quickly. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need y'all to do that for me, right? Quickly. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. All right, go ahead and do that.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Uh-huh.
I sent my work.
Good, perfect.
I sent my work in, Miss Petit.
Good.
I sent my work.
Good, perfect. Braden, did you send in your work?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right, are you ready for this last quiz? Because we have to do this before y'all go. All right,
I ready.
ready? Okay, so let's go ahead and answer this. So I'm gonna put inside the chat. So once you have already started the quiz, I want you to put started inside the chat. It's gonna be very easy. It's only 2 questions. And then once you get 100, then you can take a screenshot of your grade and then send it to me via WhatsApp. All right. So I need y'all to do that for me. All right. All right. All right. Najara, you already sent me your work?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Kylie, did you send the work as yet?
Yes, sir. I did.
Okay, good. How about you, Trinity? Did you send in your work?
Did you send the quiz yet, Mr. Petit?
No, I haven't sent it yet.
No, sir.
Kylie, I need you to send in your work. Okay.
Yes, Mr. Petit. I did send my work.
You did?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Oh, Alex, imagine relying
All right, let me send this link inside the chat for you.
I'm just trying to be nice.
All right, it's inside the chat. Put started inside the chat once you've started.
Don't waste your time trying to impress people. Are way out of your league. Loser. Damn, if being nice doesn't work, I'll give them a reason to fear.
What is the length of the garden twice of 9?
This background is totally goofy.
Perimeter. What is the perimeter of the golf?
All right, go ahead and complete that quiz. It's the last quiz for the day.
Mr. Petit, I'm finished.
Finish? Yes, 10 out of 10. Very good. All right.
I'm finished.
Perfect. Legacy, please redo the quiz. All right, what I have to do is I have to leave because my time is up. But finish that quiz and then send it to me via WhatsApp.
I got 100.
Excellent.
I got 100.
Have a wonderful evening, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.